Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs with peace, and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension with every breath. Allow yourself to sink deeper into comfort and calm. Your body is becoming relaxed, your mind becoming quiet, and your heart is opening to healing. You are in a safe and sacred space, surrounded by a protective energy that allows you to explore and heal without fear or judgment. Now, imagine yourself in a space filled with a gentle, radiant light. This light represents your own pure energy, your essence. It is bright, it is clean, and it is whole. Within this light, you feel at peace. You feel at home. Sit in the presence of this light. Allow it to fill your whole entire being. Bask in its glow. And while you're there, I'm going to count from 1 to 20. And at the count of 20, you will be in a deep, relaxed state. 1. Feeling good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, deeper and deeper into relaxation. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You are now in a deep, relaxed state. As you continue to bask in this glowing light, this pure essence, acknowledge that throughout life we share our energy with others, especially in moments of intimacy. These moments can be beautiful and fulfilling. but sometimes they do leave an energetic imprint that does not serve us. Today we will work on clearing these pathways. Releasing any energy that is not yours, any residual energy from past encounters. It is time to reclaim your energetic space. Envision that the radiant light around you begins to pulse gently. Its rhythm synchronized with your heartbeat. With every beat, the light grows stronger, its vibrations more powerful. It starts to move through you, illuminating your energy pathways, your chakras, and your aura. As this light moves through you, it encounters areas where other energies have lingered, remnants of past intimate encounters. These energies may have served a purpose once, but now it's time to let them go. Imagine now the light gently touching these areas, wrapping around the residual energies. Feel the warmth of the light as it begins to dissolve them, taking them away from your body, your mind, and your spirit, and releasing them into the universe where they can no longer affect you. With each breath, feel your pathways becoming clearer. Sense the liberation in every part of your being as you become lighter, free from these attachments. The light is restoring your energy to its purest state, ensuring that what remains is authentically and beautifully yours. Now see yourself as a whole and sovereign in your energy. Affirm to yourself that from this moment on, you will engage in intimate encounters with consciousness, discernment, and self-respect, ensuring that the energy you exchange will honor you and your boundaries. As we prepare to bring this session to a close, the radiant light starts to recede gently, leaving you cleansed and revitalized. You will carry this purity and clarity with you, nurturing it in your daily life. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. With each count, you will feel more present, more alert, and in control of your energy. 1. Feeling calm. 2. Gaining awareness of your surroundings. 3. Breathe in deeply, filling your being with energy. 4. Feeling refreshed and empowered. And 5. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling cleansed and whole.